going on YouTube? Welcome back. Today's video, I messed up. I had actually used the horn on my truck, and for some reason this thing got stuck, and the horn just kept going and going until it blew out. So now we got to replace it. As you can see, it doesn't work. So I went ahead and got me this one. PIAA Superior Bass Horn Deep Bass Tone. I looked at the reviews and it's supposed to be the baddest one on the market right now, so we're about to find out. Stock horn on a second gen is right here. There it is. These thingamajiggies right here. So it should be just a matter of taking these off, putting the new one in. I may have to splice this and maybe, but that should be a pretty easy install. Let me do a little mini unboxing for you guys. Here's the packaging and a bunch of Japanese wording. I can't read any of that. As you can see, it's all written in Japanese. It's got a picture of a freaking race car and a freaking Power Stroke right there. That's what your two horns look like. Got a 330 hertz and a 400 hertz. And it comes with this connector, and that's it. Alright guys, so I took the old horns off. Here they are. I don't think these are the stock ones. They don't say Chrysler or anything like that. And here's a new setup. Got them all wired up. I took the original connector thingamajiggy and connected it all up so I don't have to mess with the actual harness on the truck. Keep it all pretty stock and nice. So I'm about to put these on and see if they work. That's how I have them wired up. Alright guys, so we got them all wired up. Obviously it's not going to sound as good on the camera. Took me a while because I had everything wired up and I'm like, the hell, shit ain't working. I was looking, making sure I did my work right. And my dumbass didn't check to check this thing, the fuse. So the original horns probably still work, which I don't care because I wanted to upgrade them anyways. But god damn, watch this. You see, she blown. You see, she blown. So the install went on pretty smoothly. Overall, I'm impressed with the new speakers and the horn and all that. I mean, I'm impressed. I took it out for a test and they're pretty loud. I compared them to the 7.3 and they're honestly louder. The 7.3 has like a deeper kind of a pitch, but these ones are noticeably, definitely louder for sure. And overall, I would recommend them. If you need an upgrade or if your horns aren't working for whatever reason, I would recommend these PIAA horns. They're pretty good. And they're made in Japan. They're a Japanese product, which I mean, nothing against Japan. They're pretty good. They make pretty good cars and all that sort of thing. We gotta admit that. So, highly recommend them for your truck, honestly. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I haven't uploaded in like 3 weeks. I've been busy with school and work and all that sort of thing. But stay tuned. I'm going to try to upload more videos for sure. Especially now that I'm going to have a little more time. So, stay tuned. And I'll catch you next time.